Deployment, deployment, interns, interns allowance, blood Tuesday, going, marching, Friday, Tuesday, starting now.
Deploy us now! 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 Deploy us now!
Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now!
Deploy us now!
Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! Deploy us now! I thought they are giving us something.
I thought they were spraying journalists.
This is a peaceful match. Just give us security up to the parliament to deliver our judgment. That's all we want.
This is a peaceful demonstration.
Just give us security, guys.
All persons assembled here are commanded in the name of the President of the Republic of Uganda to disperse peacefully and go to their homes and lawful business.
We have the right to
We have the right by use of live fire against such persons, and such persons shall be liable for arrest and execution. Please take us. You have it. Spread them. You bring it for the past.
Deploy us now!
Deploy us
bali mu kukola nze nkoze obusawo okujjanjaba abantu, okujjanjaba bannayuganda, okujjanjaba abantu b'endabye nga bayita mu bulumi kubanga tebalina basawo, ate gwe oyagala kuntuuza waka kumala mwaka mulamba. Ekyo ekintu si kirungi naddala. Nti tugamba Ministry of Health ffe nga ba hungry ne angry tuzivuddeyo leero, era nga President waffe babadde bagezaako tukumakuma nti bambi temwekalakasa, bambi temugenda ku luguudo, era tugezezzaako nnyo mutima omulungi obutagenda. Naye tugamba ministry nti tuwa ensale ya Lwakutaano. Bwe ziba list zifulumye ku Lwokutaano nga zitulaga site zaffe tetugenda genda ku nguudo. Ffe abamu batuzalira ku nguudo, batuzalira ku street, so streets teziri strange, tetuli strange ku street. Tugenda ku nguudo tumaachinge yonna gye tusobola okujja obuyambi. Tetulina bwe tusula, tubadde tetukola mwaka mulamba ffe abamu. Tetulina mmere ya kulya, tumaliza okusoma. Bazadde baffe batunze ebibanja, batunze ente, batunze buli kimu kye balina otuweerera.
Still knee-jerk responses, as my president, their sole president, Professor Frank Asimwe said, knee-jerk responses. After we strike, they said, okay, let's pay them 2 months. I have to tell you that they paid some continuing students, SHOs, senior officers, and they didn't pay most of us. I'm in first year, by the way. I have not been paid for 5 months, but here I am smiling. At home, my wife expects me to leave Kameza money. I'm supposed to pay school fees for my child. For her to become a doctor, she needs to go to a good school. But the only thing I need...
In physics and chemistry. Why? We have asked, we have been to the schools. I happen to have studied in one of the not very small schools. Their biology class has gone down. The thinking of the parents and the students is simple. I am capable, because I got an 8, not me, because the student says, me, I got an 8 in senior 4, so I'm capable of a triple A. So they are going to pick subjects where they are going to excel. If biology people are getting O's and F's and E's, they're not going to touch biology. What will happen in the long run? they are going to stop training as medical doctors. There is a problem. We have sent out an inquiry. I want you to pick interest. We want to know what is the problem. We hear that maybe it might be in the setting of the papers. Maybe it might be in the marking. Because we have gone to these top schools and we've asked, is the problem with the students? No. You get a child who got a 4 at senior 1, at P7, got an 8 in 8 at O level. And then when he comes, they get an A